Hi everyone, my name is Miss Carrie and I work for The Ohio State University, Stark Extension, and EFNEP. And today I would like to talk to you about fruits and vegetables. Does anybody know how much of your plate should be fruits and vegetables? That's right, half of our plates should be fruits and vegetables. And the reason being is fruits and vegetables have so many different vitamins and minerals and fiber in them that help keep us healthy, helps us grow strong, and it helps us with play, and it also helps us to learn. So it's important that we eat the rainbow of colors. As you can see here, I have a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, a variety of them, and each color does something different for our bodies. So it's important that we eat a variety. On my fruit platter, I have two different kinds of apples, pears, blackberries, red raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and pineapple. Look how beautiful that is. It looks so delicious. Now I do have a recipe I want to share with you to spice it up a little bit if you want to dip those fruits in, and I would like to share that with you. So I'm going to grab my mixing bowl, a little spatula, and I already have the ingredients measured out. And it's only 3 easy ingredients. We want to do half a cup of plain yogurt, or if you want to go with vanilla yogurt, you can do that too. Then you want to go with 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Now if you do have a peanut allergy, you can always try the soy butter and make it with that. And then this is optional. This is cinnamon. I like cinnamon, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Mix it all up really good. It smells good. I smell that cinnamon. I smell that peanut butter. Oh, it looks so good. Just want to make sure it's mixed really good. I hope you can see it through the clear glass okay. If not, let me just kind of simple, easy peasy, that you can make this on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this real quick. I'm going to go for a pear because I love pears. Mmm, delicious.